Running a yoga studio is all about creating a peaceful space for your clients, but managing leads, scheduling classes, and handling follow-ups can quickly disrupt your flow. It's a lot to juggle while trying to grow your studio. That's why we've created a GoHighLevel, GHL, automation workflow template specifically designed for yoga studios. This solution automates your lead management, streamlines booking, and keeps your clients engaged so you can focus on what you love, teaching yoga. Here's how it works. 1. Lead capture. 2. The system automatically collects leads from your website, social media, and online ads, organizing them in the GHL CRM so you can keep track of every potential client. 3. Automated follow-ups. 4. When someone expresses interest in your studio, the system sends personalized follow-ups via SMS or email, encouraging them to sign up for a class or membership. 5. Class booking system. 6. Clients can easily view your class schedule and book their spots online, saving time and making it convenient for them to join your sessions. 7. Automated class reminders. 8. The system sends reminders before each class, reducing no-shows and ensuring your studio runs smoothly. And post-class follow-ups. 10. After each class, the system follows up to thank clients, gather feedback, and promote future classes, workshops, or membership packages. This automation workflow template is designed to save you time, improve client engagement, and grow your studio. With lead capture, follow-ups, booking, reminders, and post-class engagement all handled automatically, you'll have more time to focus on creating a welcoming and inspiring environment for your clients. Ready to transform your yoga studio? Click the link in the description below to download the full automation workflow template for GHL and start automating your success today. Don't wait. Streamline your studio operations now.